Hello student, welcome to Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, our department Humanity and Science, course Basic Mathematics, course code 22103, myself again Mrs. Smita Shekhar Kamble. Today's lecture obviously depend on our matrices chapter, unit 1, chapter number 3. Today lecture topic is very interesting topic, matrices singular or non-singular. That is, given matrix is singular or non-singular, we have to check. Then how to check? That is the condition. Singular matrix, a matrix is singular if its determinant is 0. Means, suppose a matrix A, 2 by 2 matrix is there, that is 2 rows and 2 columns, A, B, C, D, is singular if its determinant, that means AD minus BC, AD minus BC is equal to 0. A matrix 3 by 3 matrix is A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3 is singular if its determinant. How to find the determinant of 3 by 3 order matrix? Let us check. First row, first column skip and first element allowed here. So A1 here. We have to skip first column and first row. What is remaining? B2, C2, B3, C3. So we have to note down here. Now middle is always negative. So B1 is the second element. So we have to here we have to take the here. In this method we have to take these column also. So we have to skip now A2. The second row and first column. We have to skip. So what is remaining? B2, no, B1 C1 and B3 C3. Now we have to skip the plus A3 this way. So A3 remain as the same. So we have to skip the third row, first column. What is remaining then? B1 C1, B2 C2. So we have to write here B1 C1, B2 C2 is equal to 0. Now A1 remains same, B2 C3 minus B3 C2 minus A2 remain as the same, B1 C3, B3 C1 plus A3 remain as the same, B1 C2 minus B2 C1 is equal to 0. When 2 by 2 and 3 by 3 matrix determinant value is 0, then such matrix is called singular matrix. So for solving singular matrix and verifying it, we have to must know how to find the determinant of 2 by 2 matrix and 3 by 3 matrix. That is important. Let us check from the first example. Show that 8, 2, 4, 3 is non-singular. Matrix A is equal to 8, 2, 4, 3. Determinant obviously it is square bracket, it is bar bracket. So 8, 2, 4, 3. So we have to take 8 into 3, 24 minus 4 into 2, 8. 24 minus 8, obviously 16. So 16 is non-zero number. So that's why a matrix A is non-singular matrix. If determinant value is 0, then it is singular. If determinant value not equal to 0, that means given A matrix is non-singular. Now singular matrix is a square matrix. A is said to be singular if determinant A is equal to 0. If A is non-singular if determinant of A not equal to 0. Let us check the example. A is equal to 1 minus 1, 3, 1, 3, minus 3, 5, 3, 3. Here they skip the first row. Let us check. First row, first column we have to skip. 1 is the element. So we have to write 1. 3 into 3, 9. Middle is minus. But 3 into 3 minus 9. Minus minus become plus 9. Now second element is always negative, but it here already minus is given. So minus minus plus 1. So we have to skip now second column, first row. 1 into 3, 3. Minus is there, but 5 into minus 3, minus 15. So minus minus become plus. Now our first but not least, first row and last column but not last. So first row, last column, we have to skip 3 into 1, 3, minus 5 into 3, minus 15. So we have to simplify now. 9 plus 9, 18, 18 into 1, 18. 3 plus 15, 18, 18 into 1, 18. Plus 3 remain as the same. Minus 15 plus 3, it is 12. Minus 12 into 3, it is minus 36. But 18 plus 18 is 36. 36 minus 36, it is 0. So given matrix is singular matrix. That is we have to prove. So always remind that first row skip, first column, then second column skip, then third column skip in the determinant of 3 by 3 order matrices. Now we have to check now singular matrix is obviously A is equal to 0, determinant A is equal to 0. Then non-singular matrix is what? Determinant A not equal to 0. So we have to check the example first. The example prove that following matrices are singular matrix or non-singular matrix. Let us take first example. If 1, 6, 2, 5. So we have to find the given matrix is singular or not. So 1 into 5 minus 6 into 12. So 1 into 5 is 5 minus 6 into 12, 2 is 12. So minus 5 minus 12 is minus 7. That means determinant given is not equal to 0. That means it is what? Not equal to 0 means it is non-singular. Yes. Now we have to check the example 3 by 3 order matrix. 1, 2, 3, 1, 5, 6, 2, 7, 4. Let us check it is singular or non-singular matrix. We have to skip first row, first column. 5, 5, 6, 7, 4. Here we write. Now we have to skip first row, second column. What is remaining? 1, 6, 2, 4. We have to write 1, 6, 2, 4. And middle is minus. So that's why minus 2 is outside the cofactor. First row, last column. So what is remaining? 1, 5, 2, 7. So we write here 1, 5, 2, 7. And plus 3 is the center of first row and last column. So we write here. Now we have to simplify. 1 remain as the same. 5 4s are 5 into 4. Minus 7 into 6. Modulus complete. Minus 2 remain as the same. 4 into 1 minus 2 into 6. Plus 3, 7 into 1 minus 2 into 5. Yeah, 5 into 2. So 5 4s are 20. Minus 7 into 6 is minus 42. Minus 2 remain as the same. 4 remain as the same. 1 into 4, 4. 2 into 6, it is 12. So minus 12 is there. Plus 3 remain as the same. 1 into 7, 7. Minus is middle. 5 into 2, 10. So we have to simplify now. Minus 20 minus 42 minus 22. 4 minus 12 minus 8. 3 minus 10 minus 3. And outside it is 3. So we have to remind it is the remaining final answer is minus 41. It is the non-singular matrix. That is we have to prove. Now, next example we have to check now. For the instant, the matrix A is 3, 8, 1, minus 4, 1, 1, minus 4, 1, 1. Each singular matrix since determinant is 0 or not. We have to check. Let us take the first row and here first column we have to skip. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. So I directly write here. Next, first row, second column. 8 remain as the same. So minus 8 is because middle is always negative in 3 by 3 order determinant. Next, it is we have to skip first row, second column. So minus 4 into 1, minus 4. Middle is minus, but minus 4 into 1 is minus 4, but minus minus become plus 4. Now first row, last column, but 1 is remain outside the bracket. So we have to skip first row, last column. What is remaining? Minus 4 into 1, minus 4. Minus 4, minus 4 into 1 again it is plus 4. So minus minus plus 4. So 1 minus 1, 0. 0 into anything, 0. 4 plus 4, 0. 0 into anything is 0. Plus 4, minus 4 plus 4, it is 1 into 1. It is always 0. So we remain final answer is 0. So given matrix is singular matrix. Now we have to check the given matrix is singular or not. Now in these matrices, we have to take 2, 6, 1, minus 3, 0, 5, 5, 4, minus 7. How many rows are there? 3 rows. And how many columns are there? 2, minus 3, 5, 6, 0, 4, 1, 5, minus 7. So we have to check the given matrix is singular or not. If determinant is 0, then it is singular. If it is determinant not equal to 0, it is non-singular. Let us check. We have to take the first row and first column, skip. So what is remaining then? So we have to take the 0, 5, 4, minus 7. So 0 into minus 7 is 0. 4 into 5, 20. So I write here 0 minus 20 and 2 is outside the bracket. Now we have to skip now which row and column? Yes. First row, second column, we have to skip. What is remaining? Minus 3 into 6, we have to, here we have to take the different order also. Here in this example, I take the first row constant. We have to take here first column also constant. Now, the second column we have to skip and first column. Yes, it is right. Second row and first column. So, minus 3 remain as the same. So, what is remaining? What is that? Yes. So, we have to skip minus 3, this one. And what is minus 7 into 6? Minus 42. 4 into 1, minus 4. Now, last but not least, which row? First column and last row we have to skip. But 5 is outside. So, we have to write 5. So, what is the closing here? First row, last column. 6 into 5, 30. 0 into 1, minus 0. So, we have to take simplification now. Minus 20 plus 2, it is minus 40. Minus plus 3. Minus 42 minus 4, it is minus 46. And plus 3, 5 3s are 150. So, simplifying, we derive the final answer is minus 28. But minus 28 not equal to 0. So, that's why given matrix is the which matrix? Non-singular matrix. And above matrix is singular matrix because determinant is 0. Be clear, in this example we use the step of determinant by 3 by 3 order. That is, in this example we have to skip row and column skipping. In this example we have to skip the first column and rows. So that's why I will take this example in the pattern of expansion. Now today's lecture, it is totally depend on the verifying the singular and non-singular matrix. The matrix is, we have to revise that is the singular or non-singular. Singular matrix is when the determinant value is 0 and non-singular matrix is when determinant value is not equal to 0. And we have to revise the 2 by 2 order matrices. We have to take the cross multiplication of the that is what? AD minus BC equal to 0. In 3 by 3 order matrix, how to find 3 by 3 order determinant then? We have to skip the first row and first column A1, B2 into C2 minus B3 into C2. Next, minus A2, we have to skip now second row, first column. So, what is remaining? B1 into C3, B3 into C1 minus, obviously. Now, we have to skip now the third row, first column. So, what is remaining? B1 into C2 minus B2 into C1 is equal to 0. And we define the singular and non-singular matrix by this way. So, student, I give the example for practice. We have to practice that we have to get the determinant value also. 1, 4, 6, 9, 2 by 2 order matrix. 2 minus 1, 3, 4, 1 minus 3, 0 minus 1, 1. So your work is, you have to first find the determinant of the 2 by 2 matrix, then determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. 2 by 2 matrix, 9 into 1 minus 6 into 4. 3 by 3 matrix what? First row, first column. First row, second column, first row, third column. Then we have to simplify using the answer. Today's lecture is over with the topic of singular